This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coasters, specifically these silicone coasters. These non-slip silicone coasters are 4 inches in diameter, and they are 1/4 inch thick. They come in 3 colors, and we have the black, gray, and white here. They're perfect for protecting your counters, bars, tabletops, while also being slip resistant to help prevent accidents. Their 3 neutral colors mean they're going to go with a wide variety of decors and aesthetics and different setups, while blending and working seamlessly. They're great for securely holding your drinks in place and feature a wonderful raised rim around the edges that's really going to help keep moisture and condensation from dripping over the edge onto your bars. The smooth surface of these prevents moisture and bacteria from getting trapped inside, unlike other coasters that are made from more porous materials. These are made with 100% food-grade silicone that's BPA-free as well. They're dishwasher safe and reusable, meaning that you have easy care and cleanup between uses. So these are great for bars, restaurants, to use in the office, or even at home, anywhere you need to protect your surfaces from unsightly rings and watermarks and keep your drinks securely in place.